Well, my old Ford truck's got 250,000 miles on it, and the alternator finally took a poop. Here's the new one. It's basically a Napa branded. I don't know. They call it a new one. They had a used one. I'm not a used one, but a rebuilt one, and it was with my discount through where I work. I could get a new one for about the same price. Let's walk over here to the old one, and I want to show you something, boy. This is the alternator off the truck. I took the back alternator housing off, and as you can tell, can you see those brushes? Completely wore out and not even going up. No spring tension on them anymore. I can't even hardly get that one-handed. But look at the commutator. It's got a freaking groove cut in it like you wouldn't believe. Right there. Man, I got all the goodie out of that alternator I was going to get, but 250,000 miles out of an alternator, shoot, man, can't beat it. If you have any questions about alternators on Ford trucks, let me know. More Medic 1. Have a good day.